Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Nextjs 14. Today we are going to learn about the pagination in the Nextjs 14 using Prisma. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that we have the UI, right? So here you can see we have the previous and the next page. When I do the next page, next 20 records has been fetched. When I go with the previous page, next 10 records has been fetched. Here you can see that, right? The next 20, 30, 40, 50, next page. Okay, so there is no next page right now, so previous page you have to get. Okay, previous page you get the data, previous records. Okay, so this how we can build this, we are going to learn in this video. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So we are using the Prisma. Okay, so for the fetching the data, or you can call it any API to fetch the data, rest of the things would be same. Okay, source actions and the fetch user.js. Okay, so if you don't know how to generate the Prisma or anything, in the last video I have talked about, you can just go and watch it. Okay, here you can see that in the source action fetch users.js. So this is the pagination section where we are fetching the data from the Prisma table, from the table, using the Prisma, and render the data into the page. So here you can see that this will work, that is Prisma product dot find many, skip and the take, that will limit, and return the products. If something goes wrong, it will go to the catch block, right? The next one, that is card. You want to, if you want to create that one design, so make sure you have the component card.js. Okay, in the app card.js. Okay, and here we go with the content, title and the description we are taking up, and this is the styles you can add or modify accordingly. Okay, the next, the main one, that is the paste.js. So here we are using the use client, use state, use effect, fetch products, and the card component. So here we have the state, default states. Okay, so yeah, here we are fetching the data with the page fetch data, right? Next we have a load next page. So whenever I click on the next page, it will fetch the data with the +1, and load previous, we will fetch the data from the -1 page. Okay, and in the use effect, set the initial data and fetch data async, we are going to call it this one. Okay, and then we are just returning the component with the data dot map with the card component, and here we have the previous and the next page button. Okay, handle it accordingly, whatever exactly you want. Okay, so this is how, whenever you want to add the previous or the next page, you can add it like this. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.